Hello, friends. It's Interrupted Chicken. I'm here to share one of my favorite books with you, Interrupting Chicken. Yes, this is a good one. Sit back and listen. Interrupting Chicken. Interrupting Chicken by David Ezra Stein. Stein, wonderful last name. It was bedtime for the little red chicken. Okay, my little chicken, said Papa, are you ready to go to sleep? Yes, Papa. But you forgot something. What's that? Asked Papa. A bedtime story. All right, said Papa. I'll send one of your favorite. And of course, you are not going to interrupt the story tonight, are you? Oh no, Papa. I'll be good. Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel were very hungry. Deep in the woods, they found a house made of candy. Nibble, nibble, nibble. They began to eat the house. Until the old woman who lived there came up and said, "What lovely children. Why don't you come inside?" They were just about to follow her when out jumped the little red chicken. And she said, "Don't go in. She's a witch." So Hansel and Gretel didn't. The end. Chicken. Yes, Papa. You interrupted the story. Try not to get so involved. I'm sorry, Papa, but she really was a witch. Well, you're supposed to be relaxing so you can fall asleep. Let's try another story. I'll be good. Little Red Riding Hood. Take this basket of goodies to Grandma. But don't stray from the path. The woods are full of dangers, Red Riding Hood. She skipped along through the deep woods. By and by, she met a wolf who wished her good morning. She was about to answer him when out jumped a little red chicken and she said, "Don't talk to strangers." So Little Red Riding Hood didn't. The end. Chicken. Yes, Papa. You did it again. You interrupted 2 stories and you're not even sleepy. I know, Papa. I'm sorry. It was a mean old wolf. Yes. Now, get back in the bed. Okay, Papa. Let's try one more little story, and I'll be good. Chicken Little. Chicken Little was hit on the head by an acorn. The sky is falling, she thought. She was about to run out and warn Goosey Lucy, Ducky Lucky, Henry Penny, Henny Penny, Henry Penny Penny, and everyone on the farm. The sky was falling when out jumped a little red chicken, and she said, "Don't panic. It was just an acorn." So Chicken Little didn't. The end. Chicken. Yes, Papa. You did it again. Oh, Papa, I couldn't let that little chicken get all upset over an acorn. Please read one more story and I promise I'll fall asleep. But Chicken, said Papa, we're all out of stories. Oh no, Papa. I can't go to sleep without a story. Then, said Papa, why don't you tell me a story? Me tell a story? Said the little real chicken. Okay, Papa. Here we go. Bedtime for Papa by Chicken. Once there was a little red chicken who put her Papa to bed. She read him 100 stories. She even gave him warm milk, but nothing worked. He stayed awake all. He's tired. Papa! Good night, Papa. The end. Wonderful story. So remember, when Mom and Dad or any of your friends are reading, wait for the best parts and try not to interrupt. I hope everyone has a great Wednesday.